Hello everyone, and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can fix Instagram voice message not working. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now on Instagram, and this is how the homepage looks like. So basically guys, in order to fix this problem, first of all, go to Play Store or App Store depending on which phone you have. And then once you do that, go to the search bar and then search for Instagram. Once you find Instagram, go ahead and click on it, and then you're gonna find two buttons: uninstall and also update, or uninstall and open. So basically, guys, if you find open here, this means that you are already up to date. But if you find update, then you should click on update to be up to date, because this problem might be just because you're not having the latest version of Instagram. So once you update Instagram, go back and then check if you still have the problem. If you still have the problem, then just go ahead and clear your cache. In order to do that, just go to your settings on your phone and then search for apps or applications. Once you do that, right here you're going to find the list that includes all of your installed apps. Scroll down until you find Instagram. And then once you find Instagram, go ahead and click on it. Then scroll down until you find storage, click on storage, and then here in the bottom, you're going to find the option to clear cache. Go ahead and click on clear cache, and then go back and open Instagram again, and then your problem should be fixed. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and see you guys in the next video.